was trying to say. Okay, so now I see we have maximum member. We can start. As I told you, we are done with compute networking. We'll start with storage today. This OneNote is shared by me with you. Everyone has access to this. So whatever you see here, it has nothing to do with Azure on this page. This one, right? It has nothing to do with Azure only or cloud only. All these concepts were there always before we had cloud. These all concepts were there. So if anyone of you who doesn't know, by the way, today we are going to have very basic discussion. So someone who thinks who has experience in storage, Azure storage, feel free to drop. Otherwise, it will be a good revision. We are not going into depth when it comes to store Azure storage today. People who are coming from scratch, no technical background, I would request you to go ahead and watch this first. You will understand what is data. Right? Data, what is it? It's nothing but some information related to any person, place, company, etc. It's very basic definition. That is data. It can be in the form of picture, text, etc. Anything. Right? Nowadays, videos, and it could be anything. So that is data. Now, what is database? Database is where you save the above mentioned data digitally. We need to save it so it can easily be accessed or modified or protected or analyzed whenever we want to. Right? Example, a college timesheet web application where data can be filled like staff details, timesheet details, student attendance, student marks, etc. ये भी आपका एक तरह का हुआ data. Right? And your application which is hosted on any web server will be connected to a database to add and receive and modify this information. So go ahead and check this video once, very small video. I've taken this screenshot out of this video only. It's very small one. Go ahead and check so you will understand at least what is a database. Though we are doing storage now, it has nothing to do with database. Storage is different, database is different. But you will have a fair understanding कि ये सब चलता क्यों है database. What is a database? When I say database, क्या होता है, right? Then once you understand what is a database, then you will understand what is database management system, DBMS. Right? You don't have to worry about it much. बस एक understanding होनी चाहिए. Right? Then what types of database do we have? We have relational database, then we have non-relational database. Relational database में क्या क्या आता है? Right? Non-relational database में क्या आता है? Then इसमें और सब categories क्या क्या होती है? Key value database है, which is very old method nowadays. You won't see it. Uh, then you have graph database. So यहाँ तक आपको बस एक basic देखना है. So at least you get an idea. SQL is there, which is very known. I mean, almost everyone knows. Then Oracle है, MongoDB है, MySQL है, PostgreSQL है. There are many databases, right? These are technologies which help you to host your database. So please go ahead and read this once, all of this, right? And this will help you to understand the database services. What we are going to start today, what we are going to read is your storage and specifically storage in Azure. But before we go ahead and start what is storage in Azure, uh, anyone would like to tell me what do you understand by storage? In general, not technical, not Azure. In general, if just I tell you the word storage, what do you understand by storage? In general, guys, what do you
The
understand?
place
Anything,
where we can store the
Hmm?
data
anything
of customer.
that will be
Anything.
any
I said forget Azure, forget
Yeah,
technical, anything. So storage is a place, is a container. It's something where you can keep something. It could be your clothes, your bike, your laptop, whatever you want to keep. Storage is something where you keep something, right? Similarly, when it comes to technical term, storage का मतलब यहाँ पर भी same होता है, where you can keep something. Now something मतलब क्या होता है? Ultimately, see, this is the reason I told you this will help you. आप किसी भी तरह का जो है टेक्निकल में कुछ भी बात कर लो. मेरा एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, फाइन. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के बिहाइंड बिहाइंड क्या होगा? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम किस पे रन करता है? कुछ फाइल्स होते हैं, राइट? कुछ टेक्स्ट फाइल्स होते हैं, कुछ कोडिंग्स होती है, कुछ इमेजेस होते हैं, एक्सेट्रा. तो ये सब क्या हो जाता है? If all of these you consider, what is it called?
data.
Data. So ultimately, storage is for data. That could be any data. Could be video, audio, images, coding, किसी भी तरह की कोई file. It could be in different shapes, different formats, Excel, MS Point, PowerPoint. कुड बी एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, किसी का बैकअप ले रखा आपने, सी ड्राइव है, डी ड्राइव है। अल्टीमेटली क्या है उन सब में? इवन इफ आई से दिस इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम डिस्क, ठीक है, साउंड्स फैंसी, ओके, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है, बट व्हाट इज इट अल्टीमेटली? व्हाट इज इट देयर इन इन योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? कुछ कोडिंग्स है, कुछ फाइल्स है, कुछ कंपाइलर्स है। तो ये सब बनता किस इसमें अल्टीमेटली? एवरीथिंग इज डेटा। ग्रैन्युलर करते जाओगे ना आप इसको, एक बिगर पिक्चर को स्मॉलर स्मॉलर ग्रैन्युलर करते जाओगे, तो अल्टीमेटली यू विल एंड अप विथ डेटा। कुछ भी हो, किसी भी तरह का कुछ भी हो, इवन इफ इट इज अ वीडियो, व्हाट इज इट? It is a data, right? Maybe you are looking at it as a picture, maybe as a video, but ultimately it is data, right? बाइनरी में होगा, बाइनरी फॉर्म में होगा, हेक्साडेसिमल में होगा, किसी में भी होगा, बट अल्टीमेटली इट इज डेटा। सो अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग। सो स्टोरेज, when it comes to technical term, स्टोरेज में जब भी आता है तो डेटा ही स्टोर करेंगे। व्हाट एल्स विल यू सेव? कैन एनीवन गिव मी एनी एग्जांपल, एक्सपीरियंस पीपल, के आपके माइंड में आ रहा है यार स्टोरेज डेटा के अलावा भी कुछ सेव कर सकते हैं हम लोग? एनीथिंग? आई मीन अल्टीमेटली नेम्स कैन बी एनीथिंग। आई कैन से दिस इज माय बैकअप डिस्क, इसके ऊपर मैंने मेरा वर्चुअल मशीन बैकअप किया है, ठीक है। इट्स नॉट अ डेटा, इट्स नॉट some images, it's not picture, it's not document. I have backed up my virtual machine. We did see that, right guys, कि हमने बैकअप मशीन, वर्चुअल मशीन्स को बैकअप किया था, एंड देन वी रीस्टोर। सो इफ आई बैकअप माई मशीन समवेयर, किसी स्टोरेज वगैरह पे मैं बैकअप करता हूँ, सो व्हाट विल आई से? आई हैव बैकड अप माई मशीन। दिस इज इन लेमन टर्म, but when I say I have backed up my machine, and if you start exploring or you go to the granular version of machine, what is it exactly? एक मशीन के बैकअप में क्या होगा?
डेटा डिस्क।
डेटा डिस्क हो गया। डेटा डिस्क में क्या होगा? अल्टीमेटली यू विल हैव डेटा।
डेटा।
किसी की इमेज हो गई, कोई फाइल होगा, कोई एक्सेल फाइल होगा, कोई एमएस वर्ड होगा, उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स लिखे होंगे। And if you talk about OS data, OS disk may be, as I explained, ultimately it is data. Is that point clear? So whenever it comes to storage, storage में हमारा data ही save हो रहा है। We can name them whatever we want, and yes, we will do that. Every time we will not call it data. In fact, we should segregate it, right? We should not be calling everything data. It is data, but it's a good practice. You name them, उसकी category में ये करो। कोई storage, कोई backup data है, right? कोई queue data है, कोई लॉग्स का डेटा है, सो यू नेम देम, बट अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, अल्टीमेटली ऑल ऑफ दैट इट्स डेटा, राइट? सो नाउ व्हेन वी हैव दिस ह्यूज डेटा, इतना सारा डेटा है, सब कुछ डेटा पे ही तो डिपेंडेंसी है, राइट? सब कुछ डेटा पे ही डिपेंडेंसी है, देन वी शुड हैव समथिंग टू सेव, समथिंग कॉन्क्रीट, कि यहाँ पर डेटा सेव होना चाहिए। इसके लिए लगेगा हम लोगों को स्टोरेज, विच वी ऑलरेडी हैड बिफोर, इवन बिफोर वी हैड क्लाउड, वी हैड स्टोरेज। स्टोरेज कैसे हुआ करता था? आप हार्ड डिस्क लगाते हो आपके सर्वर में। इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर, आई हैव शोन यू द इमेज ऑफ द एक्चुअल सर्वर, जिसमें बड़े बड़े हार्ड डिस्क लगते हैं, राइट? दैट इज योर स्टोरेज। वहां पे आपकी सारी चीजें सेव होती है, दैट इज योर स्टोरेज। लेट मी शो यू वन मोर टाइम, एंड I'll show you few more options as well. So if you remember server, by the way, in data guys, you will see many options in Azure, I'm specifically talking about। बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दिखेंगे, बट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू ऑल ऑफ देम, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर स्पेसिफिक, और दे आर रिलेटेड टू डेटा इंजीनियरिंग। अज्योर का जो है डेटा इंजीनियरिंग का एक अलग से कोर्स है, राइट? बट वी आर नॉट डूइंग दैट। वी शुड नो एज एन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर क्या है, बस इतना ही जानना है हम लोगों को। सो अनलाइक कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग, नेटवर्किंग में हमने सब कुछ कर लिया ऑलमोस्ट, बट स्टोरेज में विल डू वेरी लेस। सो दिस इज अ सर्वर। If you look at this, these are RAMs. I'm not sure if you guys can see my cursor. Can you guys see my cursor? Is it visible? Big enough to see?
Yes.
So these
Yeah.
are RAMs. ये RAM होता है यहाँ पर। इसी में से RAM डिवाइड होता है आपकी वर्चुअल मशीन को। बस Azure एंड AWS वगैरह ने क्या कर लिया, इसी को उठा के दे आर स्टार्टेड होस्टिंग इट। पहले आप हार्डवेयर यूज करते थे एकदम लेगेसी में, देन आपने हार्डवेयर लिया, उसको खुद वर्चुअलाइज किया, दैट इज योर वर्चुअलाइजेशन फेज। कि इस ये लेट्स से दिस इज 12 GB रैम, एक स्टिक 12 का है, तो ये कितना है यहाँ पर? 12, 24, 48। तो इस 48 GB को डिवाइड करके वर्चुअल मशीन्स बनाना, दैट हैज कम विद वर्चुअलाइजेशन। देन उसके बाद क्लाउड ने क्या किया? ठीक है, विल परचेज एवरीथिंग, विल जस्ट गिव यू सर्विसेज ओवर द इंटरनेट। सो सिमिलरली जैसे पहले डिवाइड होता था, उसी तरह से आपका अभी भी डिवाइड होता है। सो हियर you will see some places where you can add your disk, hard disk, right? So let me show you कि हार्ड डिस्क कैसा लगता है. See, these are the hard disk. दिख रहा है 1 2 3 4 5 6. अगर ये 2 TB ईच का हार्ड डिस्क है तो 2 and 2 4 8 12. 12 TB इसका सर्वर का कैपेसिटी हो गया. नाउ यू कैन इधर यूज 12 TB कंप्लीटली किसी एक सर्वर के लिए, विच इज हाईली अनलाइकली. देर आर सर्वर्स दो, बट बहुत कम होता है. वॉट यूल डू द वर्चुअलाइजेशन ऑन दिस सर्वर, और आप वर्चुअल सर्वर्स यूज करते थे. दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लेगेसी. वी आर नॉट येट एट क्लाउड. ठीक है, एक फीचर ये होता था. दूसरा, आई शो यू. One is network attached storage, NAS, network attached storage. What is this? ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा डिस्क होता था. दिस इज नॉट सर्वर, नथिंग. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो है डेटा के लिए. आप अपना सर्वर अलग चलाओ और डेटा सेव करने के लिए डिवाइस को यूज करो. दिस इज कॉल्ड NAS. इसमें क्या, लुक एट दिस, 4 TB का ये डिस्क है. टोटल कितना होगा ये? अप्रोक्सीमेटली 100 TB, 128 TB, इतनी कैपेसिटी ये दे देता था. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स, NAS. ठीक है, दिस इज नाइस. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे हार्ड डिस्क आप लगाते थे, ये आपके किसी डेटा सेंटर में एक पड़ा रहता था. एंड देन वहां पर जो है वहां से आप इसको वर्चुअली डिवाइड करते थे. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड गाइस कि स्टोरेज भी वर्चुअली डिवाइड होता था. गॉट इट? इज इट क्लियर टिल हियर?
Yes.
सो वन इज योर हार्ड डिस्क एंड वन इज योर NAS device. One is your SAN device, which is storage attached storage, network attached storage. Okay, these are the devices. Look at this. Here it is. This is how it looks. Got it? ये सब है आपका क्लाउड से पहले. नाउ व्हेन यू आर ऑन क्लाउड, व्हाट दे हैव डन, ये इस तरह की हार्ड डिस्क, नॉट लिटरली लाइक दिस. आई नाउ आई डोंट नो कि किस तरह की हार्ड डिस्क उन्होंने एक्वायर की है. नो वन नोज दैट एक्चुअली. बट नाउ व्हाट दे हैव डन इन petabyte and zettabyte, way beyond than terabytes. Here what we could have, let's say 12 TB. 12 TB के 4 या 5 रख सकते थे. मैक्सिमम 100 TB रख लिया आपने, विच इज मोर देन इनफ. काफी होता था एक ऑफिस चलाने के लिए. ठीक है. But now what they have done, they have acquired the hard disk, etc. in way beyond than TBs, petabyte and zettabyte. इतना सारा डेटा स्टोरेज ये लोगों ने एक्वायर कर रखा है. नाउ दे आर लीजिंग इट टू यू ओवर द इंटरनेट. ये हुआ आपका क्लाउड पे स्टोरेज. सो अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, अल्टीमेटली पीछे वहां पर भी हार्डवेयर है. जस्ट बिकॉज व्हेन आई से आई एम सेविंग समथिंग ऑन क्लाउड, दैट डज नॉट मीन कि लिटरली कहीं पर वो हवा में सेव हो रहा है. अल्टीमेटली क्या है, लाइक इन सर्वर वी रेड कि इवन इफ इट इज अ वर्चुअल मशीन वगैरह सब कुछ है, अल्टीमेटली व्हाट इज इट? इट इज अ मशीन, राइट? वहां पर फेलियर होगा तो आपकी मशीन फेल होगी. इज दिस क्लियर गाइज टू एवरीवन?
Yes.
यस. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? प्रभात, हनीफ, हनीफ
Yes,
काजमी.
clear.
Yes.
ठीक है, यहाँ
Yes.
तक क्लियर
Clear.
है
Got
कि
it.
किस तरह से आपका स्टोरेज वगैरह चलता है. Now let's go to cloud. Before we go to Azure cloud, can one of you give me example of storage, cloud storage, which you have been using? I'm sure all of you have been using, all of you, and from long time. जब आपने Azure नहीं भी सुना होगा तब से आप लोग यूज कर रहे होगे.
Email.
Google Drive.
Gmail.
Gmail is there, Google Drive is there. Gmail, but
Out.
it is very, I won't say it's a storage.
Google Drive.
हाँ,
Google Drive.
Gmail. जीमेल जो है ना आपका एक SaaS सर्विस है. वहां पर एक पर्टिकुलर सर्विस मिल रही है आपको ईमेल की. बट यस, गूगल ड्राइव में आप अपने पिक्चर्स रख सकते हो, इमेजेस रख सकते हो, PDF रख सकते हो. ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स यू कैन डू इन जीमेल एज वेल, राइट? दोनों में डेटा सेम भी मिलता है. बट गूगल ड्राइव में इट गिव्स यू मोर फीचर्स. एग्जाम्पल, आप उसमें फोल्डर्स बना सकते हो, कलर कोडिंग कर सकते हो, शेयर कर सकते हो, राइट? एंड वन मोर थिंग विच वी हैव सीन in shared drives, in cloud drives or cloud storage, is nowadays you can attach them or you can map them. I won't call it attach, I will call it map it to your local machine. For example, if I have something on Google Drive, what I have to do, how will you access your Google Drive, guys? You have something on your Google Drive, how do you access that?
Internet.
Yes, over the internet, but which modem?
Account
How?
from account. Gmail account.
No, Gmail
Through the
account internet is
application which is installed on our
yes.
mobiles.
Yeah, मोबाइल पे एप्लीकेशन है, ब्राउजर पे जाते हो देन over the internet using your browser, right? But sometimes it can be a tedious task. So nowadays, what they have done is they have given you a shortcut. Now look at this. This is my C drive, local disk, D drive, local disk, E drive, local disk, F drive, local disk. This is local disk. All of these are local disk. If this laptop of mine, it gets stolen, is there any way I can get this data? I mean, backup अगर लिया होगा मैंने, that's a different thing. That to on external drive पे backup लिया होगा, so that's a different thing. But this data, this particular data, if there is no backup, अगर ये मेरा लैपटॉप चोरी हो जाता है, so is there any way I can get this data back, whichever is there in e document media? Is there any
No.
way I can get it back?
No.
No,
No.
it's gone. It's gone.
No.
Your hard disk is gone, right? But this drive, though it looks like a local drive to me, look at this. This looks like a local drive to me. I have forms, I have everything here. Okay, I have folders, I have form, I can share, I can do everything. However, this is not residing on my laptop. Where it is? It is on Google. Yes, they have just attached it, or they have just mapped it on my laptop. So it looks like a local drive to me. So this is called your shared drive, or this is called your network drive. So remember these words. This is either called network drive, this is either called mapped drive or shared drive. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is not attached to my computer. So now whatever I say, let's say God forbid tomorrow this laptop is gets stolen, and I have very important data. I have my classes data, whatever fees you guys have paid, I have saved it here. Whatever portion I have completed, I have saved it here. Whatever questions I have created, task I have created for you, everything is here. Either I'll have to work from scratch, right? If it was saved locally, but because this is on Google, what I simply have to do is just to get a new laptop or even a mobile phone, it's okay. Just connect to this drive again using whatever method is there. We'll see that later. And you will have all your data available with you. Is this clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. And this is Google's. Similarly, we have Microsoft's OneDrive. Here it is. It's Microsoft's OneDrive we have. Look at this. Now, this data, right? No matter if this laptop goes back, if this laptop is not there, I will still have the access to this data because it is saved on cloud. It is saved on Microsoft's cloud, right? I simply have to get a new laptop, log into this, or even on phone, I can see this. Another benefit of this, I can add it from anywhere. I don't have to carry my laptop everywhere. If I have to do a slightest change, I can simply open it on my mobile phone. I change it, and that will be saved on cloud, and then I can access the changed file or new file from everywhere. Is this clear, guys, till here? The concept of storage, etc. Is it clear?
Yeah. Yes.
Right. So similarly, we have storage feature from Azure Cloud. Obviously, Azure Cloud, they are providing services, so they can't say we just have virtual machines and networking. Storage आप अपना देख लो. No, without storage, there's nothing. You won't see a single subscription जहाँ पे storage नहीं use हुआ हो. I mean, you can see few of them जहाँ पर PaaS service zero है, कोई PaaS service नहीं use किए. You will see subscription जहाँ पर virtual machines बिल्कुल नहीं use किए. They have used everything on SaaS. But you will not see any subscription जहाँ पर storage ना use किया हो. Because storage, it's must, right? So let's start with the storage. Before we read this, this looks scary, but it's very simple. I'll explain it to you in detail. One good thing, initially we had two versions of storage, version 1 and version 2. However, now they have closed it, so आप लोगों को hopefully question नहीं आएगा. But so we will still see what were the differences, because you guys will be claiming that you have been working since 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, right? So ये इसको बंद होके 1 ही साल हुआ है. Last year I remember I have used version 1 as well, and nowadays it's only version 2. So let's start from here, from portal. First I'll show you the storage account. So this is your storage account. Now what is storage account, by the way? Storage account is nothing. ये जो हम लोगों ने सेव वगैरह कर रखा है, जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि ड्राइव एक होता है, ये सब होता है, right? So to access that, the service which Azure has, it is called storage account, right? In storage account, we may have multiple storage capacity, or we may have, just give me a minute. Let me write it down for you. So one thing which we have is storage account via Azure. Okay, this is on Azure portal. Why do we have this? So we can use their storage services. Now, what are the storage services they have? Is it only one folder they will give और उसमें आप सब कुछ ये कर लो? No. Storage इसमें क्या हो सकता है? DB, ये भी एक storage हुआ, right? Uh, Dumping any kind of files and folders, right? Files and folders. It could be images, etc., etc. ये भी एक टाइप का storage हुआ. हार्ड डिस्क, जिसमें आपका ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम होगा, जिसमें आपका डेटा डिस्क होगा, ये भी एक टाइप का स्टोरेज हुआ. एंड वन इज शेयर्ड फाइल, ये भी एक टाइप का स्टोरेज हुआ. लॉग्स, this is also storage, right? So they will not simply give you one storage और आप सब कुछ इसी में कर लो. They have categorized it. They have 4 categories, right? So let's see. But to use that, you should have one storage account. To use any category, to use any service of Azure storage, you should have one storage account. Or you can create one storage account. It's not that you have to avail it or something. It's just a resource, right? So let's go ahead and create. First, if you go on home page, if you have used storage recently, you'll see it somewhere here. If not, go ahead and search for storage account. Okay, storage account. Whatever storage accounts you have here, you'll be able to see. If you don't have any, you can create one. So click on create. Select your subscription. Select your resource group. In your case, you can select your own resource group. Name. This is very important. They do ask this in question in your interview question. And why is it important? That also I will explain. First, understand what is important. Now, in virtual machine or virtual network or whatever we have learned till now, whatever we have learned, not talking about the future services, future service may have the same feature, but whatever we have learned till now, did you guys see any naming convention or any restriction except for some dedicated subnet? Did you see any restriction कि virtual machine का नाम आपका small में ही होना चाहिए, इतने ही letter का होना चाहिए, XYZ होना चाहिए? Have you seen that? Can you have virtual machine
No.
1, VM1 in your subscription, and can I have virtual machine 1 in my subscription? Exact same name, VM1 in your subscription, VM1 in my subscription. Is it possible?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Why confusion, guys? We have seen it, right? आपने अब कितनी बार VM1 बनाया है, मैंने यहाँ पर VM1 बना कर रखा है, right? Why? Because our machines are not publicly exposed. Even if वो जो आपका public IP होता भी है, वो बस IP होता है, नाम वहां पर नहीं होता है, ठीक है? However, when it comes to storage account, so let's see. If I type something, UT Cloud Storage account, what does it say? The field contain only lowercase. This is first condition. I cannot have uppercase. It should have minimum 3 letters, 3 characters, and maximum 24 characters. इसमें एक और चीज missing है, which is this clear by the way?
Yeah.
Yes.
Will you guys remember it? All lower, minimum 3, maximum 24. Most important चीज जो इसमें missing है. Do you think it is complying with those conditions which were written there?
No.
Number,
No.
number should
What
be there.
did it talk about number?
Small letters and numbers.
Read it again. Where does it say about the numbers? No, numbers are not compulsory. See, you can have only small letters and
Okay.
numbers. Numbers are not compulsory. ठीक है? Okay, चलो, we'll see that as well. If you say number, is it complying now? Number भी add कर दिया
No.
मैं. Why
That
not?
is already.
It is
That is
showing
No,
already
I am
always taken.
guys, don't.
Already taken.
My question is with related to this condition. See, even in your interview, guys, I understand if you know extra, it's a good thing. But I have seen interviews where interviewer is asking something where we have given extra information. So interviewer says, no, this is not what I'm asking. Here, the simple question is, look at this condition and then tell me if my name, which I'm using, it's complying the conditions or not.
No,
No.
it's not.
No.
Not now. The earlier name. Let me. Okay, this is the condition.
No.
Am I complying or not?
Yes, you are.
Are you
Yes,
getting the
test
point,
one
guys?
is
What I'm trying to say here?
Yes.
I understand you can read this. It's very simple. कि हाँ ये किसी ने ले लिया. But what do you understand by this? What do you mean by storage account name is already taken? Is it in my subscription? Is it in your subscription?
No.
Right?
no.
So इसीलिए just don't read and उस पे बहुत जल्दी jump मत करना किसी भी चीज पे. So if the question is related to some very specific parameter, make sure you stick to that parameter. Otherwise your interviewer will make sure कि आपसे then difficult questions ये करने लग जाए. So if someone is asking you certain parameter, listen to the question properly. And I'm not making this up. We have seen this last week itself. We have seen this, right? I'll try to sanitize that interview, remove all the names, candidate name, company name, etc. And I'll try to share it with you if possible. That too, I'll check with the candidate first. And if possible, there you will realize this. So please make sure, do not try to hurry, do not try to jump in your interview. Someone is asking about, okay, tell me about VNet pairing or aap shuru ho gaye. Don't do that. Let him finish. Maybe he's talking something else. Tell me about VNet pairing, talk about the process or talk about the steps which you will take, right? So let him finish, don't just quickly jump. So here my question was, is my name complying with these conditions or not?
Yes.
Yes, it is, right? Still I am getting error. Why? It says the storage account name test one is already taken, but if I check my subscription, I don't have any storage account with this name. What does it mean? It means that your storage account name should be unique globally. So if I take some name here, for example, if I have taken this name, you guys try to create a storage account, UT Cloud Storage, you will not be able to do that. Though your subscription, my subscription is not connected, nothing is there, you will still not be able to create that. Is this clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes.
Right. So what conditions we have learned till now? One is your field should have minimum 3 characters, all in lowercase, and the main condition is it should be globally unique. Now there is no way you can check who someone else उसके पास क्या नाम है कैसा है. So you'll have to simply just type the name and see if it is allowing you or not. ठीक है, and you don't even have any mechanism कि test किसने लिया है, can I go ahead and delete? If it is in your subscription, it's okay. But otherwise, I don't have any option कि मैं यहाँ पर जाकर check करूँ कि यार test किसने ले लिया. Can I request that person to delete? There is no way you can check that. Simple, either it is available or it is not available. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is about storage account name. I spent almost 5 to 8 minutes on this because this is very important and they will ask you this question. कि storage account आपने बनाया तो naming convention कैसा होता था आपका, क्या होता था? Have you ever faced any problem? So you can talk about this. Yes, client's name was कोई common सा नाम ले लो and we saw कि वहाँ पर storage account का नाम available नहीं था. This is the problem. But there's nothing you can do about it, right? तो कुछ ये मत बता देना कि we deleted that, Microsoft को request किया. Nothing will work in this case. It is either available or not available. Simple. Okay. Then we have region. Region we all know कि region वगैरह क्या होता है, हम सबको पता है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. Primary service. So this is what I was talking about, guys. कि इनके storage account में we have services. Now what kind of services we have here is, just give me a minute. Someone is trying to join. Guys, this is the reason I tell you to join on time. Okay, fine. So what services they have? They have all these services. We are going to see Azure Blob, Azure Files, and they have other services also. So it is asking which primary service are you going to use? तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली थोड़े से ज्यादा फीचर्स और ऑप्शंस बताता है ये नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन में, बट दिस इज नॉट ऑप्शनल, दिस इज नॉट मैंडेटरी, सो वी आर गोइंग टू लीव दिस। ठीक है, वी विल create a generic one. Okay, next is premium and standard, one of the frequently asked questions. What is the difference between premium and standard? You guys can go here and read about it. I'll tell you the difference, overview में बता देता हूँ, बट ये जो in detail है ना, ये आपको वहां से पढ़ना पड़ेगा, यहाँ से, कि प्रीमियम में क्या मिलता है और स्टैंडर्ड में क्या मिलता है। बट इफ यू जस्ट रीड वन लाइन, इट इज मोस्ट सिनेरियोज यहाँ पर ये जो है थोड़ा सा लो लेटेंसी देता है, which is let's say, let me give you one example. Standard हम यूज करते हैं, let's come here. Obviously pricing में difference होगा. Yes, let's go to, where can I check the pricing, guys?
Calculator.
Which calculator?
Azure calculator.
All we have to
Azure
do is
calculator.
pull the Azure calculator.
Calculator मेरे OS के calculator पे नहीं होगा, right? We have to say it as your pricing calculator. ठीक है, so let's say storage account. Yes, this is one of the biggest difference you can talk about. So let's remove this. This was our application gateway. Last time we used that. Okay, storage account. Region East US I have taken. Blob storage is fine. Standard general purpose V2. Initially we had V1, but अब है नहीं, तो इसका pricing check करके कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. So only general purpose V1. Hot tier. What is tier? We'll see later. Redundancy we'll see later. Capacity इतना ही रखते हैं हम. What is the price?
Sir,
$20.
could you please, hello sir,
Yes.
could you please click on type, like
This
again,
one? Hmm.
the type, the blob storage type, those type.
Yes, this one, right?
The second option.
Okay,
No,
okay.
no, not this.
Okay, what here?
No, I just wanted to check like data lake storage Gen 2, like, so like what was the difference? I was just
We'll talk about
hoping
this. We are going to talk about table. We are going to talk about queue, file storage, managed, blob. Data lake 2 storage Gen 2 we are not using. This is for
Okay,
Azure data engineering side. Okay.
thank you.
So, and as of now we are just comparing standard और इसमें क्या difference है वो बता रहा हूँ मैं फिलहाल. Okay, $20. I'm not even converting this into INR now. What we are trying to learn here वो हमको यहीं मिल जाएगा. Performance standard में $20 हो रहा है. Look at this, प्रीमियम करते ही कितना आपका कॉस्ट बढ़ गया. Right? ये सब क्यों होता है? इसमें आपको राइटेबल ऑप्शंस ज्यादा मिलते हैं, स्पीड ज्यादा मिलती है, आप लोगों को रिडंडेंसी ज्यादा मिलेगी. सो ऑल दीज फीचर्स यू कैन रीड हियर इफ यू वांट. बट व्हाट इज द कोर डिफरेंस? इज प्राइसिंग. व्हेन यू गो टू प्राइसिंग कैलकुलेटर यू विल सी कहां पर $20 है और कहां पर $150. राइट, सो दैट इज द कोर डिफरेंस यू विल सी. For practice purpose, we are going to go ahead with our standard. Now, redundancy. This is very important, which we are going to learn here. यहाँ पे हम लोग redundancy पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, we have only 30 seconds left in this session. We'll start the redundancy in next session. So let me stop the session and we'll continue without any break.